Alright, so what you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser. So for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and once you're inside your web browser, what you need to do is just simply type in wetransfer.com and it will bring you to this website right over here. What you need to do, you just need to work right over here. First, you just got to file in the email that you're going to send the files to. So I'm just going to type in the email that I'm going to send the file. Just like that. And they have already written your email, so you can just type in the title as well. So I'm just going to give it a title, and you can also enter a message. So I'm just going to write something like this, and you can also set the expiry. So you can just set it up. But yeah, you just got to press continue after that. And yeah, we just need to add files as well. So I forgot to add files. So I'm just going to add this file right over here. And yeah, just gonna press this one right over here and then press open, and these files are over here. And here we are. Now I'm just gonna press continue, and one day, and it's up to you whatever you want to do. If you go for tag downloads or anonymous, it's your choice, but just gonna go for anonymous and then transfer. Just simply press transfer, and here as you can see it's now transferring, and this should be very easy to transfer, and it's finalizing right now. And this is done here as you can see. Now let's just check if we received it in our Gmail. And here as you can see, I'm just gonna press get your files, and here we are. So yeah, this is it. Hope you find useful. I'll see you soon.